Welcome back students. Today we are going to discuss about biology practical, that is the revised practical pattern. This year due to COVID, the academic year 20 and 21, there is a reduction in the experiments for HSC 12 standard. So let us discuss this in details further. Okay, this is only for this academic year, that is 20 and 21. It is due to the COVID-19 scenario, as you all know it very well. So today we are going to discuss the main objective, why we are doing this. As you all know it very well that the colleges are still not working. We don't know till when. Okay. So basically to reduce the academic stress for the teachers as well as the students, the experiments has been reduced. There is a reduction in the number of experiments. Second is to maintain the social distancing. Third is to focus on more important experiments only. So this year only the important experiments will be performed to give sufficient time for completion, and you will be getting time to complete that amount of experiments which are important to bring uniformity in the line of CBSE pattern. As the CBSE has also decreased the syllabus, so we are basically following a uniformity, and we are also doing a reduction in our syllabus. So next, now what we have done in this is we have done 40% of deletion of the syllabus. Okay, so A part is the core experiments in which 15 experiments are there. B part is the demonstration experiment in which 14 experiments are there. So total reduction of experiments is 11. Out of 29 experiments, total 11 experiments have been removed or reduced. It is 40% of the syllabus has been deleted this year due to the COVID-19 scenario. Next. Okay, now this is basically the index part of your handbook. As you all don't have a handbook right now with you, as your college reopens, that time you are going to collect the handbook from the stores or from your college itself. That time you are going to get the index in your handbook. This is the part A, that is core experiment. There are total 15 experiments. Number of experiments are total 15, in which reduced are 9. Okay, number of reduced experiments are 9 out of 15. Only 6 experiments has to be conducted this year. The name of the 6 experiments which we are going to conduct this year is: first is the study of osmosis by potato osmometer. Next is study of soil sample from 2 locations with respect to their texture and pH. Then study of water sample from different locations with respect to their clarity, pH and microbes. Study of population density and frequency of plant by quadrant method. Then isolation of DNA from the given sample. Dissect and display of floral whorls. Okay, these are only the 6 experiments which has to be conducted this year for the HS. Okay, next part B. This is demonstrating experiments. Basically these are demonstration which has been kept for you in spotting part. Spotting question contains 10 marks. Okay, so these are demonstration which will be there for you in the practical exam for spotting part. In this 12 experiment has to be conducted. Now you are going to think कि मैम आपने core experiments में इतने सारे experiments reduce किए हैं, लेकिन demonstration में almost we are performing each and everything. Because बच्चा पार्टी the main reason behind this is कि we are not going to perform this experiment. As you all know, we only give you an idea, an explanation about all these demonstrations. Okay, so basically this demonstration are very easy to study. A model has been showed to you, or a specimen has been showed to you, or a diagram we show to you for the reference purpose, and we explain you the theory part. So basically all these experiments are very easy to be performed or conducted to demonstrate basically. So we are going to perform 12 experiments out of 14. Okay, so only 2 experiments has been cancelled from this. I will tell you the experiment which has been cancelled. That is study of imbibition by using dry seed or resin, and the last one is observe the prepared blood smear slide to identify the different blood cells. Okay, so basically out of 14 सिर्फ यही 2 experiments है जो हम लोग इसमें नहीं demonstrate करने वाले. Rather all the 12 we are going to perform. Okay, so next is the key highlights. अभी what are the highlights of this practical examination of this scheme particularly? Okay, so it is a revised pattern, paper pattern, as you all know. Okay, so 11 out of 29 experiment has been reduced. Okay, So only 60% of the syllabus has to be conducted this year. 40% is directly deleted for you people. Okay. So experiment has to be conducted keeping the physical distancing. Physical distancing ध्यान में रखते हुए all the experiment has to be conducted. Dissection experiments and use of microscope is completely avoided this year. As you all know, COVID-19 का scenario is there, so we have to follow all these guidelines which board has given to us. So we are not going to perform any dissection or use of microscope. We are not going to use. Okay. Now next they have given is practical evaluation is been done with the internal examiner only, means no external will be there this year. Only your internal examiner is going to make the assessment this year for the practical. Okay. Next, now this is the question paper pattern, biology practical paper pattern. Okay. There are totally 7 questions. Time is 3 hours and marks is 30. Okay. Number of questions are 7. Okay. In which question number 1 is major experiment which carry 4 marks. Question number 2 is minor experiment which carry 3 marks. Question number 3 is minor experiment again which carry 3 marks. Question number 4 is spotting. 10 spots will be there which carry 10 marks. Question number 5 is project report which carry 5 marks. Question number 6 is viva that carry 2 marks. Question number 7 is certified or completed biology journal will be there. Your journal should be certified and completed and signed with your internal examiner. It carries 3 marks. Okay, so total 30 marks will be there for your practical. Next, okay, now we are going to discuss all the question in details. Okay, first is question number 1. This is the major experiment which carry 4 marks. Okay, the options is first is dissect and display floral verse for the given flower. Either question number 1 or question number 2 will be there. As I myself keep a XY pattern for the student. Okay, so if a X student is there, he may get dissection or he may get isolation. Alternate will be there. मतलब either one question will be there for any one student. Okay, so first question is dissect and display the floral verse of the given flower, and second question is isolation of DNA from the given biological sample. So any one will be there. For dissection, we are not going to take any sectioning of ovules or anther. Okay, and mounting of pollen grain is not to be expected this year because we are completely avoiding the use of dissecting microscope and compound microscope. Okay, so no basically dissection will be performed this year. Only you have to do the display of floral whorls, and isolation of DNA sample is the second option for the question number 1. Okay, next question number 2 is minor experiment which carry 3 marks. Now in this there are 2 options again. First option is to study the population density by the quadrant method. Okay, second option is to study the osmosis by the potato osmometer. From 2 questions you are going to get any one question for performing purpose for question number 2 which is of 3 marks. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3 is again a minor experiment which carry 3 marks. In this again there are 2 options. First is to study the soil sample for forest types, and second is to study the water sample for its pH. Okay, so either you are going to get a soil sample or either you are going to get a water sample. If you are going to get a soil sample, types of soil will be given to you and you have to perform it accordingly. If you are going to get a water sample, then type of water sample will be given to you and you have to perform it accordingly. Okay, next, now this is 4th question. It is spotting part. It is conducted from the part B wala, that is demonstration. Completely demonstration part is used in spotting. Okay, it carried 10 marks. Now 10 spot will be kept, 1 mark each. 5 spots are from botany section and 5 spots are from zoology section. From this 1 mark there is further bifurcation. Okay, so correct identification carry half marks and correct description as asked carry half mark. Now Bacha Party, listen here. The main point over here is कि if for example I am asking you Opuntia, so it is a xeric plant, xeric adaptation is done, so it is asked you under the morphological adaptation in xeric condition, so you have to write the description accordingly. If you are going to write the something else only, so it will not be accepted over there. So you have to write it accordingly. There will be the question written over there, what they want as the answer. So you have to write the answer accordingly over there. Okay. So by specimen, model, a photograph or diagram, we are going to give you the spottings. Next, first is spot A. Now I am going to discuss you each and every spot, all the 10 spots I am going to discuss with you in detail. It will be useful for you for the practical part, okay? So please look it properly, okay? First is spot A, that is for 1 mark. In this spot A, any one will be there, either study of floral adaptation for pollination by insect or either floral adaptation for pollination by wind, okay? A photo or a diagram will be kept as a identification part. Second, next, spot B, that is also for 1 mark. In this, study of different stages of meiosis will be there. Any one stage will be asked. Earlier, we used to ask it by using a permanent slide under a compound microscope. But as the use of compound microscope has been completely avoided according to the board guidelines, so we are not going to use it. We are only going to use a photograph or a diagram for the identification purpose, okay? Next, spot C, again for 1 mark. In this, there are 3 options. First is study of bagging, second is study of tagging, and third is study of emasculation, okay? So any one diagram will be kept in front of you, either in a specimen form, photograph form, or a diagram form, okay? Next, spot D, that is for 1 mark again. Any one specimen, photograph or diagram will be kept in front of you. Either it may be of a plant from a xeric environment or either it may be a plant from a aquatic environment. Now this here we are also giving you with the names, okay? If it is of xeric environment, it can be Opentia or Calotropis. If it is from aquatic environment, it can be Hydrilla or Ecornia. So basically all the 4 you have to keep it in mind with all the description and everything. So any one will be there from the 4. Next is spot E, that is 1 mark. Demonstration of paper chromatography and study of transpiration rate by 4-leaf experiment. Any one will be there for spot E. A photograph or a diagram will be kept in front of you. You have to identify and write about it, okay? Next, so spot F is again for 1 mark. In this there are 2 options, that is study of Anatropus ovule or either it may be Orthropus ovule, okay? So either photograph or a diagram will be kept for the spotting part. Next, spot G, again it carry 1 marks. In this, common disease causing organism, any one will be there out of 4, that is Plasmodium, Entamoeba, Ascaris and ringworm. Earlier we are used to keep again a permanent slide for this, but this year we are going to keep either a photograph or diagram for this. Next, spot H, again it carry 1 mark. Study of different parts of human brain, any 1 or 2. Human brain के different parts will be kept for identification. You have to identify and write the description about it in 1 point. Either a model or a photograph or a diagram will be kept for the spotting part. Next, spotting I, question number spot I, 1 mark. Again there are 2 options. First is study of pedigree chart. We have pedigree chart of all the 4, that is rolling of tongue, window speak, blood group, ABO, color blindness. Any one will be kept, or either a permanent slide of any one, that is TS of testes, TS of ovary or VS of blastula. As you all know again, we are not going to use the permanent slide this year. So for all this 3 also, that is the B, question number B, diagram or either photograph will be used. So it can, question number I, that is spot I, will be either a pedigree chart or diagram of any one of these 3 permanent slide, okay? Next spot is J, 1 mark, that is the last one, 10th one. Again any one will be there, either animal from the desert environment or animal from the aquatic environment, okay? Camel, kangaroo rat from the desert environment and dolphin and rohu from the aquatic environment. Any one will be there, a photograph, specimen or a diagram will be kept for identification purpose. Next, question number 5. Now this is the project report. Question number 5 is about the project report that carry 5 marks, okay? Now preparation, suitable project will be allotted by the subject teacher. Project report is about of 4 to 6 pages to be submitted. It should be in the form of handwritten report. As far as I am concerned, so what I suggest my student is कि यू कैन टेक एनी टॉपिक फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक इटसेल्फ, कि आप लोग आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में से ही कोई भी टॉपिक चूज़ कीजिए, बट लीव द एनवायरमेंटल चैप्टर। एनवायरमेंट के रिलेवेंट चैप्टर्स आपको चूज़ नहीं करने हैं, ओनली अ चैप्टर रिलेटेड टू बायोलॉजी you can choose it, or you can take a particular topic from your chapter and you can make a project report on it, but it should be maximum 6 pages, okay, and it should be in a handwritten form and it should be submitted on the day of practical, which carry 5 marks. Next, question number 6 is viva, which carry 2 marks. Based on first 3 question or experiment which you are going to perform, viva questions will be asked, okay. So question number 1, 2 and 3, that is 1 major practical and 2 minor experiments. All the 3 experiment के base पे आपको viva questions पूछे जाएंगे, that carry 2 marks. Next, question number 7 is journals, okay, certified and completed journal which carry 3 marks. अगर आपकी journal completed है, is signed by your in charge, ओके, इंटरनल जो भी आपका इंचार्ज बायोलॉजी टीचर है, एंड इज़ कम्प्लीटली सर्टिफाइड बाय विद अ कॉलेज और द इंस्टीट्यूट स्टेम, देन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट कंप्लीट 3 marks फॉर योर जर्नल. ओके, नाउ विद दिस वी आर डन विद द all the question from 1 to 7 for 30 marks. Next is change in the evaluation pattern. Now what are the points which we have to be kept in mind? Okay, that the practical exam will be conducted in March 21. Okay, evaluation will be at institutional level only. All the necessary precautions will be taken. Answer paper will be evaluated by the internal examiner only. No external examiner will be there. Necessary changes will be made as per the government directives. If further any changes are to be made, the government guidelines will be given to the college, which has to be followed by each and every institute. Next is the precautions to be taken during the conduction of practicals and examination. That is, due to the COVID scenario, as we all know, we have to maintain a physical distance. We have to minimize the use of sharing of any material. Complete avoiding of pipetting reagents by mouth, to avoid the use of microscope and dissection, as I have told you earlier also. Only we are going to use picture, chart, model for spotting part, and to follow all the guidelines which has been given by the government from time to time. If any further changes are to be given by the government directives, they are going to let us know, and we have to follow each and every guideline from necessary time to time. Okay, so I hope you all have understood my point clearly. If any query is there, Bacha Party, you can put a comment in the comment box and ask me. I will short you, I will reply you. Okay, thank you for listening me. It is a golden opportunity for you all. This year the syllabus has been reduced. You can get more marks in the practical itself. So please go through this. I feel it is very helpful this year for the children, as the syllabus has been reduced. Okay, so best of luck. Thank you.